where the environment is there, who is working in the latest technologies, right? So I'm gonna be introducing you in Python also. Like you might have learned Python somewhere, but my Python is completely different. Like we'll be working with the latest tools. We are not, will not, for example, we'll not be working with PIP. We'll be working with Poetry or UV, which is dependency management things. So we'll be working with microservices. Will not work with any desktop application kind of stuff, because the world is changed. So we need to work with the latest things. And as I said, like I will bring in GenAI experts who talk about the technology and latest tools I will be introducing here and there, because this is evolving. This is not something like which a textbook where which will never get updated. It is not like that. Day to day the things are getting changed. I will keep update, and I will, it's my duty to make you keep you updated. And hackathons with real world challenges, as I said, like every month in our company we do have a hackathon. We will not do hackathon something on random topic. We bring in the who are subject matter experts and take the problems of their real time, and we build solutions for them. That kind of hackathons. So I gonna be implementing the same thing in our thing. And it is completely interview driven. Every day class, right, at the end of the session we'll be discussing about. So if we have discussed three topics for one day, right, then in these three topics what will be the interview questions? At the end of the session we'll be discussing those also. And how to join this course, as everybody know, like how you guys contacted KSR team to uh, join this session. Similar way you can contact them, and they will give more details uh, to join the course.